Hey guys, Kevin here with your KevCAM tip of the day today. So this is one that a lot of you may already know about, but for the guys that don't know about this, you guys can actually see your XYZ movements in the simulation data window, and it will also show you your cycle times as well. So you can do this in your SolidVerify and your HostCAD, and right now we just have HostCAD pulled up. If I play it through real quick here, you'll see that I can't see what my tool's doing, I can't see where it's moving, I can't see how long it's taking, all that. And all this would be great information to see without having to look at the G code. So what I'll do is we'll just stop it right here, and you guys will see this little show data button right here. If you click that, that's going to open up a simulation data and show you your X value, Y value, Z value, feed rate, spindle RPM, what line number we're working on, the cycle time, compensation, cutting angles, all that good information. Some of you may see it as, let me scoot this over, is just something like this, that it may look blank. Just make sure to click and drag that window open to expand it all the way out. And then, like I said, I just like to keep that kind of bumped off to the side, and now I can see all my values that are in there. So we'll just pause it again, and let's hop over to the SolidVerify, and it will do it for the SolidVerify as well. So you can kind of see our cycle times, our feed rate, all that information in here. And this is going to correlate exactly along with your post-processor. So just want to kind of show you guys that tip of the day for those of you guys that didn't know about it. And look forward to talking to you guys tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.